Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about how we are preparing once again for this hurricane that is coming our way. It is Hurricane Laura. Right now, it is from the news coverage that I just watched. It is a tropical storm, but by the time it reaches us in the Tampa Bay area, it will be what they say is a Category 1 hurricane. And it'll be hitting us by Monday night, Tuesday morning. So I just wanted to give you an update on our preps. We have everything that the weather station and NOAA has put on their list for us to have in our preps. Okay. I went and bought more water last night from Rural King. As you can see, this is some of our food preps. Just some. Okay. Back here we have our blackout bucket, as I have mentioned in previous videos. I bought more hand sanitizer, and I was able to find sanitary wipes. Oh my gosh. We all know they're so hard to find, but Rural King, if you can get there, get them. They're $3.99 a piece. Go buy them. They had a huge pallet of them and boxes stacked and stacked and stacked. So I grabbed 4 of them. I also grabbed more toilet paper. Toilet paper, they had these 12 packs for $3.99 a piece. So I bought 2 more packs of toilet paper. We already have a good supply of toilet paper here in this house, but I grabbed more. Something else that we bought last night. We bought a fire extinguisher. So I highly recommend everyone buys a fire extinguisher. Now this one we got at Rural King, it was $13.99. Now I know it's a small fire extinguisher. We've never had to use a fire extinguisher in this house, thankfully. But in these cases, you just never know. So why not prepare now before you actually have to use one, right? So we have a fire extinguisher now. Now we have everything in place. Everything is bought. We don't have to run out and panic buy. Now, I will be going food shopping once again this weekend. My sister-in-law, she wants to go food shopping. So I will be going out with her. If I see anything like any kind of a good deal on any like non-perishables or whatever the case may be, yes, I will be picking up some things. So, you know me. As if I see a good deal, I'm grabbing it. So we probably will be going to Big Lots once again. But the night before this happened, so Monday night, I will be putting the water bob in the tub and filling it up, okay? The hurricane lock will be going on to the garage door. I've showed you that in a previous video as well. Everything will be put into place before it happens. Now, what I always do, this is me, okay? This is the kind of person that I am. What I always do right before a hurricane hits, okay? Now, you've seen the inside of my house through previous videos, okay? I'm a very tidy person, and so is Sean. But what I always do is I will do an extreme deep clean, okay? Now, I'm not saying you do this too, but this is just what I do. I do an extreme deep clean, okay? Because when you get hit with a hurricane, okay? Like when we got hit with Hurricane Irma 3 years ago, we were without power for 2 weeks, okay? No, our water supply was not affected, but we didn't have like hot water or anything like that. So, because, you know, we are all electric here. We don't have propane or anything like that. So, what I do is I do a really good deep clean. And that's only because, you know, when you have pets like we do, okay, you know, you don't want, like, you know, dog hair floating around, cat hair floating around, stuff like that. So I do like a really good deep clean. Like I'll change all the linens. I'll make sure all of the laundry is done. You know, make sure, you know, the floors are clean, everything is dusted and stuff like that. Okay. And because I do this because you don't know if when a hurricane hits, when you're going to be able to do that again. Okay. I'm sorry, I was beating around the bush a little bit there. But, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be spending my weekend doing that. So, yeah, that's going to be me. But anyway, that's pretty much all for this video. I just wanted to touch base with you, show you what more preps we added, you know, because of this hurricane. I'm just hoping and praying that, you know, because we have 2 hurricanes that are going to be in the Gulf, that they don't merge. Oh, God. That'll be, you know, the superstorm that we just don't need right now. But anyway, okay. Hi. Hi. You want to say hi? Okay. Hi. Say hi, Penelope. Hi, Penelope. Hi. 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 She gets excited. She gets excited. Yes, she does. She's so goofy. All right, guys, that's all for this video. Stay safe. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Right? Hi. Yeah. Bye.